morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some pleasant conditions across the region this morning. Seeing some chilly temperatures last night. Inland locations seeing some temperatures below freezing. Here at Wallops, seeing temperatures just above freezing. So still haven't seen our first hard freeze or freeze across the region here at Wallops, but should see that as we move into the next few weeks coming up. Overall today, we'll see no chance of precipitation or lightning. Pleasant conditions, high pressure remaining in control, and looking at good weather across our region. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have high pressure in control, seeing an area low pressure currently across the plain states and a cold front associated with that. We'll see a quickly moving upper level disturbance associated with this disturbed weather across the plain states moving towards our region for tomorrow evening. That's going to give us a good chance of some rainfall during that time period. And taking a look at our current observation, we do have a few clouds at 4,000 feet. Winds out of the northwest, 7 knots, temperature 40 degrees, and relative humidity at 62%. Taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region, you can see we do have mostly clear skies across the region. Just seeing a few streamers come across the Chesapeake Bay as well as off the Delaware Bay and over the Atlantic Ocean with those few clouds at 4,000 feet. Also seeing some cirrus cloudiness currently across southwest Virginia, going to be continuing to move towards our region today. And taking a quick look at our HRRR model for today, you can see the increase of cloud coverage across the region, seeing that filtered sunshine for the afternoon hours, and then we'll see a good amount of cirrus cloudiness overnight, light winds, so should see our temperatures fall into the 30s tonight. So looking at our risk chart for today, green chart across the board, high today around 51, low tonight around 33 during the early overnight hours, and temperatures should rise back into the mid-30s during the overnight hours into tomorrow morning. Our winds this morning will be strongest this morning, northwest 8 to 13, gusting to 17 knots, becoming more northwesterly, north-northwesterly and light this afternoon. Then winds variable, less than 5 knots overnight. Our 24-hour terminal forecast is going to see VFR conditions today. Just going to see mostly our clouds in the upper levels around 25,000 feet with a ceiling at that level after noon today. Continuing overnight with that good amount of cirrus cloudiness across the region. By tomorrow morning, a few clouds around 2,500 feet with an overcast deck as well as 25,000 feet. Our tides are currently running normal, and looking at Tuesday and Wednesday. Tuesday, mostly cloudy early, becoming overcast. Rain showers likely by the evening hours. We'll see slightly breezy winds late as well, and we'll see a high of 56 degrees. Red condition for our rainfall tomorrow evening, looking like those chances near 100%. For Tuesday night, we'll see overcast skies, rain likely, and a very slight chance of a thunderstorm early, then remaining cloudy overnight. Temperatures rising to lower 60s during the early overnight hours, then falling back towards 51 near dawn for Wednesday morning, and that'll be our low as well. We'll see rainfall chances near 100% during the early overnight hours, and we'll see a very slight chance of a thunderstorm around 10% embedded in those rain showers. We'll see a good chance of our low ceilings less than 500 feet for our Tuesday night. And then on Wednesday, we'll see cloudy skies early with a chance of low clouds, otherwise partly to mostly cloudy and slightly breezy. We'll see a high of 57 degrees. We'll go with a yellow for our winds as well as our ceilings. Slight chance of seeing those winds gusting to 22 to 23 knots, so can't rule out a gust of 25. Right now it looks unlikely, only about a 20% chance of that occurring. And our low ceilings during the morning, possibly below 500 feet, but most likely just above for Wednesday morning. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock for the next 7 days.